Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just did this very pretty bridal look. It's actually about to be bridal season, and for those of you that don't know, I got married in April 2016. It actually is going to be my 3rd year anniversary on April 30th. So basically bridal season is coming up, and I did this look for you guys today. Very similar to my wedding pictures, what I did with my own face. I actually feel like I obviously got better over time, so it doesn't look exactly the same. But at the same time, my hair was short when I got married, so I try to do something very similar to that, like try to mimic my short hair. This dress I actually wore, it wasn't for my wedding here, which we got married on March 31st of 2016 in the States. And then when we actually got married in DR, and we got married with, we got married away. So anyway, it's very similar to a look that I did for my own bridal makeup, and I just literally used the Juvias Place palette, the Nubian 2 palette once again. And for my eyes, I use this Color Pop, and it's literally like all broken up, guys. I don't even know what the name of this is. Oh, this is called Super Shock Shadow. That's the one that I used on my eyes, and Juvias Place, I'm sorry. That was really it. Only 2 palettes that I used, or eyeshadow, 2 different eyeshadows that I used. Besides that, everything else was pretty much my normal foundation routine and everything else. But yeah, the hair, this I actually wore on my wedding as well. I wore it across my forehead, and again, I'll insert a picture. But I wanted to stop rambling and get right into the tutorial. If you're looking to do like a bridal look, or if you're looking to get married soon and you want something that you can do pretty much yourself with just a bunch of blending, just keep on watching. So thank you guys so much, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. Alright guys, so to start off, I am doing my usual. I am priming my eyes with my Makeup Revolution concealer, and of course this is in the color, again, C12. Now after I blend that all in, I'm actually using the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette again, and this is the color Morocco. Now this next color right here, I'm actually using Madagascar from the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette as well. This is like a mustard yellowy color. Now for my outer V, I'm using the color Kenya, and I'm placing this again into like the crease of my eye, but mostly packing that onto my outer V. After I blend all the colors really well, I'm going back in with my Makeup Revolution concealer in C12, and I'm placing that on my lid, and this is to make the color pop shadow stick and to make it pop on my eyes. Now I'm going back in with the color Kenya, and I'm blending the concealer in with the actual color Kenya, just so it can be seamless. And here I am patting the Color Pop Shock Shadow all over my lid. Now once again, in order for me to have like the best blending, I go back in and I am blending all the colors in together so there are no harsh lines. Now in order for my eyes to pop a little bit more, I actually went back in with that Juvia's Place palette and I put on the color Zuri right on top of the Color Pop Shock Shadow, and then now I'm blending in again just to get rid of any harsh lines. Here you see me just cleaning up my eyes and any like messiness, I guess, from the actual shadow. And of course, now I'm going back in with my Makeup Revolution foundation stick, and I'll put the color down below because I don't remember which color this is I used. And now I'm going in with my, this is my Maybelline concealer. I think it's in the color Cafe. And I'm just placing this everywhere that I want to highlight my face. So it's my usual eyes, nose, and forehead. Now I'm just blending in my highlight with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills cream concealer, and I'm contouring my cheeks, my nose, and my jawline. My nose contour was like super dark, so I had to go back in with my fingers and blend that in. And then I had to take my foundation brush and like clean it up because it was ridiculously dark. Now I'm putting the Beauty Bakerie flower in. This is in the color, well, it was in the color yellow. And I'm going back in and just sharpening my contour and doing it again for the other side. Now I'm going in with the Beauty Bakerie powder, and this is in the color dark, and I am just placing this everywhere on my face and just bringing the color back into my face because I was looking a little ghostly. And this is the, I don't think this is the Dior Blush. I think this is another blush. I just don't remember which one. I'll put it down in the section below. And now you see me cleaning up my eyebrows with this LA Girl concealer. This is in the color Toffee, I believe. And I'm just blending that into my actual crease to make sure there's no harsh lines. And again, I'm going back in with the brush. There's like a little bit of product on it, and placing that in my lid as well. Now here I'm just lining my lips with the MAC lip liner in Cork, and I'm using Honey Love as my actual lipstick. And then over that, of course, I'm using my NYX Buttergloss in Tiramisu. And this is like my perfect nude combination again. Now, lastly, I'm just putting the same shadows I used on my lid, underneath my eye. And I'm highlighting my beauty marks that I have on my face with a little bit of eyeliner. And that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.